Good morning. It is Friday, September 17, 2021. It's mathematics time, duration of time, word problems.
Good morning and a happy Friday to everyone. This is the math class for Friday, September 17, but it's actually now Thursday morning, September 16. So when you watch this, I made this yesterday. And it is very bad weather outside, so if you hear some noises, it's because it's raining really hard. Okay? Good, let's get started with our math class. Today we will do some word problems, or at least one word problem. And then I will explain to you how they work, and we will do one together here on the board. But let's start with a few vocabulary words first. Okay, let's do some vocabulary words. I put them in the past tense. So let's make them present tense. So we start with number one, A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Arrived. Arrived. What is the present tense for arrived? Right, the present tense is arrived. Right? I arrived today at 5 o'clock. I arrived yesterday. So arrive means when you go somewhere and you are where you want to go, you arrive. So that's the first one. The next one, T-O-O-K, T-O-O-K, took, took, not tuk-tuk, just took. What is the present tense for took? Yesterday I took, today I take, right? So, take. Yesterday I took a shower. Today I take a shower. Yeah? So, past tense, present tense. Number three, S-A-I-D, S-A-I-D, said, said. Some people pronounce it more like said, but I pronounce it more like said. Not sad, but said. What is the present tense? Yesterday I said, today I say, right? Today I say. So, yesterday I said to him, be careful. Today I say to him, be careful. Past tense, present tense. Okay, one more. Arrived, past tense. Arrive, present tense. Took, past tense. Take, present tense. Said or say, past tense. Say, present tense. Okay, let's do three more. Okay, three more. Number four, T-A-U-G-H-T. T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught. Taught. Who knows the present tense for taught? I did it yesterday. Yesterday I taught you in the Zoom class. Today I teach. Teach. So, taught is the past tense for teach. Today I teach. Yesterday I taught. Number five, T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Taught. Huh? Taught. Taught. The sound is the same. You hear that? Taught. Taught. But this one, T-H. So you can hear the difference by the sound of the T-H. Taught. Taught. This one, taught. This one, taught. Okay, what is the present tense for the word thought? Yesterday I thought it was a good idea. Today I think. Very good. Today I think. Today I think. So thought, think. Number 6. D-R-A-N-K. Drank. Drank. What is the present tense? The present tense is drink. Yesterday I drank a lot of water. Today I drink a lot of water. So past tense, present tense. Okay, so one more time. Taught. Yesterday I taught you English. Today I teach you English. Past tense, present tense. Thought. Think. Yesterday I thought it was a good idea. Today I think it's not a good idea. And number 6, drank and drink. Past tense, present tense. Yesterday I drank a lot of water. Today I drink. Good. Enough for the English. Let's go to our math class. Okay. Please get your mathematics book. And we go to page 130. That is this page. There are 2 practices, practice 1 and practice 2. Okay, so get your workbook, if you not your workbook, your math book, this one, and go to page 130. Now we have there 2 word problems. Let's solve those 2 word problems together. Okay, so get your book, pause the video, and when you're ready, turn the video back on. Good. Number 1, let's read practice number 1 together. Judy and Jessie went to the library together at 2:10 p.m. Judy left the library at 4:45 p.m. Jessie spent 2 hours and 15 minutes in the library. Who spent more time in the library? So, was it Judy or was it Jessie? Now, there's only one way to find out. We start with the facts. So that means the things that we know. So what do we know? They went together to the library at what time? At 2:10 p.m. So we write 2:10 p.m. And then Judy left the library at 4:45. So we write Judy left 4:45. Okay, just to show you practice number 1 at the top of the page. So Jessie and Judy arrived at 2:10 and Judy left at 4:45. Now, let's first see how long Judy was there. So, from 2 o'clock and 10 minutes to 4:45. How many hours? So, 2 to 4 is 2 hours. So, is 2. Remember, we can say H for hour. 2 hours. And from 10 minutes to 45 minutes, so 45 minus 10 is 35. So 2 hours and 35 minutes. So Judy was 2 hours and 35 minutes in the library. And then it says Jessie was 2 hours and 15 minutes. So Jessie was 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the question is, who spent more time in the library? Well, Judy spent 2 hours and 35 minutes and Jessie spent 2 hours and 15 minutes. So who spent more time? Right, Judy. So the answer is Judy spent more time. Okay, so that is the answer to your practice number 1. So is it all clear in the image? Okay. Okay, so you can copy this, and that is your practice number 1. Then we also will do practice number 2. Okay, if you're not finished with number 1 yet, you can pause the video now, finish number 1, and then play again when you're ready for practice number 2. Okay, so let's do practice number 2. First, what we do is we read again. Jackie and Owen left their houses at 10:15 hours to go to the beach. So Jackie and Owen, they both left at 10:15 hours to go to the beach. Jackie drove 3 hours and 10 minutes to the beach. He met Owen, who arrived at the beach at 13.16 hours. Who took a shorter time to go to the beach? Now, as always, the facts first. So, what time did they leave? Jackie and Owen, they left their house at 10:15. It says 10:15 hours. They both left at 10:15 hours. Jackie drove 3 hours and 10 minutes to the beach. Three hours, 10 minutes. Okay, now, then we know that Owen arrived at, what time did Owen arrive? At 13 hours 16. 13, 16. Okay, now we have to see what is longer. So, they both left at 10:15 and Jackie drove for 3 hours and 10 minutes. So, from 10 to 3 hours, 10, 11 is 1 hour, 12 is 2 hours, 1 is 3 hours. So, 1 o'clock and 15 minutes. So 15 minutes and 10 minutes is 25 minutes. So at 1:25 hours. Now Owen arrived at 13:16. So we use the 24-hour system. 13 hours and 16 minutes. So what is shorter? 13 hours and 25 minutes or 13 hours and 16 minutes? This one is shorter. So the answer is Owen took a shorter time. Owen took a shorter time because Owen took 13 hours and 16 minutes and Jackie took 13 hours and 25 minutes. So, that's number 2 also solved. Okay, good. We have one more class in the afternoon. In the afternoon we will do some pages in our Step Up spelling book. So we will do that in the afternoon. Okay? See you in the afternoon.